So, you think you know English? Let's find out. I'm going to show you some images and ask you questions, and you'll have just a few seconds to reply before I reveal the answers. And to make it even more challenging, I've also put together a mega cheat sheet so that you can really test yourself. Plus, have a resource with all the vocabulary that we're going to cover. I'll put a link to the cheat sheet down below. But now, let's get quizzing. Can you name these gardening tools? A lawnmower, a spade, a hose, a watering can, a rake, secateurs, a flower pot, a flower pot. Can you name these animals? A rabbit, a rat, reindeer, ram, raccoon, rooster, rhino. Which of those animals is your favourite? Can you name these flowers and plants? Rose, tulip, sunflower, water lily, bamboo, cactus, palm tree, pine tree, oak tree. Which one of those is your favourite? Do you know the British English words for these fruit and veg? Aubergine, olive, avocado, broccoli, sweet corn, kiwi, peach, banana, cherries, apple. How many did you get right? Let me know. Okay, I'm going to test you on things that go. Can you name this? Rocket, UFO or unidentified flying object, cable car, moped, helicopter, satellite, a boat, but more specifically a rowboat, a wheelchair, that's a scooter, a tractor. Did any of those words surprise you? Let me know. Can you name these drink emojis? Champagne, beer, cocktail, spirit. You might have said whiskey, scotch, but the overall term is spirit. Milk, wine, juice, tea, coffee. What have you drank today? Blow out the candle and make a wish. I must go to the bank and make several payments. Don't let the sink overflow. Water can do a lot of damage. Please don't let the children make a mess. Sarah asked me if I could do her a favour. I'll be ready in a minute. I just need to do the laundry. Do you know the name of these winter clothes and accessories in British English? What are these? Mittens. What about these? These are known as long johns or thermals. How about these? Earmuffs. This? A balaclava. How about this? A body warmer. And these? Leg warmers or ankle warmers. How about this? It's like a scarf and it could be pulled up as a hat. A snood. And how about this? A polo neck jumper. You might also hear the terms turtleneck or roll neck. Can you name these Christmas ornaments? Bauble, bauble. Tinsel, tinsel. Lights, or you might say fairy lights. A wreath, wreath. The W is silent. That one's easy. A bell. This one is a bow, bow. A stocking, stocking, and a star, star. Here's a British culture quiz all about pets. Number 1, what percentage of Brits own pets? 62%. Number 2, which animal is the most popular pet in the UK? The dog, with 34% of Brits owning a dog. Can you guess what other animals make popular pets in the UK? Cats, birds, rabbits, hamsters, chickens, tortoise and turtles, guinea pigs. Which pets are most popular in your country? Can you name these kitchen utensils in British English? What's this? Very small, it's called a teaspoon. Much bigger, what do you call this? Specifically, a tablespoon. How about this huge spoon? This is a ladle. What do you call this? My favourite word, spatula. A spatula. How about this? Used for your potatoes, this is a masher. How about this? This is a peeler. What about these? Tongues. And this? A whisk. Can you name these pet objects and accessories in British English? What's this? A collar. What about this? A lead. How about one of these? This is lovingly called a poo bag. What's this? This is a litter box, or you might hear litter tray. And then what's this? This is a chew or a treat. What about this? Litter, which goes in your litter tray. And how about one of these? This is a kennel, a kennel. What about this? Very popular with the cats, this is a scratch post. Can you choose the correct option to complete this sentence? After having my hair done at the hairdresser's, I always A. Do my hood on, B. Do my hood up, C. Put my hood on, or D. Put my hood up. The answer is D. Put my hood up. Technically, you already have your hood on because it's attached to something you are wearing. All you need to do is put it up. What's this? Treadmill. What's this? Elliptical. How about this? Cross trainer. Different to an elliptical because you work out your arms at the same time. What's this? Exercise bike or stationary bike? What's this? Rowing machine. This? Dumbbell. How about this? Barbell. Oh, this one. Kettlebell. This. Bench. This. Yoga mat. Do you know what these animals say in English? Crickets say chirp. Frogs say ribbit. Cockerels say cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Turkeys say gobble, gobble, gobble. Donkeys say hee-haw. Horses say neigh. Can you guess the basic colour from the fancy name? Ivory, white, mustard, yellow, amber, orange, crimson, red, magenta, pink, lapis, blue, violet, purple, emerald, green, tawny, brown, slate, grey, ebony, black. What's this? Helmet. What about this? Seat or saddle. What's this? We call this handlebars. Handlebars. These? Wheels. What about these? Spokes. What are these? The brakes. Well, what are these? The gears. What's this? Reflective jacket or high-vis jacket. What's this? Bell. And this? Basket. Hey, English learning gamers, can you name the gaming console just by looking at the controller? Let's try this. What gaming console does this controller belong to? Nintendo Switch. How about this one? PlayStation. What about this one? Xbox. How about this one? Blast from the past. Atari. How about this one? A Sega Mega Drive. And what about this one, which is the controller and the console all in one? A Game Boy. Do you know the sound that these animals make in English? Let's have a look. Dogs say woof. Cats say meow. Snakes say hiss. Ducks say quack. Pigs say oink. Cows say moo. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments.